Welcome to Parkway Chrysler Jeep Dodge and Ram, America's #1 volume dealer. I'm Kane Karpinski, out in the wild with the latest addition to the Jeep lineup, the new 2014 Cherokee. Whether you're using Cherokee as an everyday driver or you're an off-road enthusiast, the Cherokee will deliver. Cherokee's familiar nameplate offers new technologies and all the off-road capabilities you'd expect from Jeep. As you approach the Cherokee, you notice the sleek exterior lines with signature Jeep cues, such as the peaked 7-slot grille, aggressive approach and departure angles, and trapezoidal wheel arches. Beneath Cherokee's rugged exterior, you have the choice of the 2.4-liter Tiger Shark multi-air engine or the 3.2-liter Pentastar V6. Mated with the class-exclusive 9-speed automatic transmission, Cherokee is ready for whatever the road or trail has to offer. Cherokee boasts best-in-class towing and best-in-class 4x4 capability, adding to Jeep's heritage of quality and freedom. Cherokee takes safety and security to a new level. With the available adaptive cruise control with stop and go and the Lane Sense lane departure warning systems, the vehicle practically drives itself. Cherokee also offers class-exclusive parallel and perpendicular park assist. With the push of a button, you enter the parking lot, the vehicle immediately searches for a space that will work. Once you get to that location, the vehicle will do all the steering and backing up for you. Cherokee offers 4 trim levels to meet everyone's needs, starting with the entry-level Sport model, moving clear up to the very off-road capable Trailhawk. Technology comes standard on Cherokee. Whether it's the award-winning interface of the 8.4-inch touchscreen radio and climate control center, or the available Uconnect app center that connects your phone to the vehicle. Come visit us at Parkway and let our world-class team give you the treatment you deserve.